How to sell digital products on Shopify. So this video will cover two topics. One is to how to actually set up your Shopify product as a digital product. Number two is to how to auto fulfill those orders, because obviously when someone buys a digital product from you, let's say an ebook, a song, or like if you want to throw in maybe an add-in um, user user guide for your product, you don't want to send them manually over email of the file that they want to buy, right? So this video will address how you can both add digital products and auto fulfill them, in the sense that they will be able to download the file on their own, and they will be sent an email containing the digital product that they just bought. So let's get started. So what the first thing that we want to do is to just go to products over here to add a product, and let's click add product. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is to just add the product informations like you would usually add a product, add a product information as in a physical product. So I'll just say this ebook or new album, let's just say, or new portfolio, and the description like usual. And now the media here, you want to upload images, right, for your product. So let's just upload a new media. Let's just go to here. I'll just drag and drop from a sample image. Now that will be your ebook cover or your new album cover. I'll just add a meme for example here. Next is the pricing. Let's just make the pricing like $9.99. Sorry, that's almost $1,000. I mean 9.99, and let's don't charge tax on this. And also quantity. Now on for inventory, since this is a digital product, you don't really need to track the inventory because it's unlimited, right? So just uncheck track quantity, and you can also choose an SKU if you do so choose. I'll just say 001. You might have a different nomenclator for your SKU. And for the shipping, let's just uncheck the this is a physical product option here, because it is not a physical product. So what we did when we uncheck the menu under shipping over here is that customers won't enter shipping details at checkout, so they won't have the options to add a shipping detail, because no physical thing will appear on their doorstep, because it is a digital product, right? Now, next is variants. Now, you can add variants like you usually add variants to a physical product for digital products. So let's just say, for example, the variants are the options are editions, and the option name here edition. Why can't we add edition? Okay, so let's just change it to style. Now, the values are the editions are maybe premium or deluxe or regular, right? All right, so those are the three variants that you can add. Usually you don't want to, like, usually maybe you don't have variants, so you can just opt this uh, option entirely, but I will just show you to demonstrate that you can in fact add variants to digital products. So the premium will be the most expensive at $19.99, and I want the deluxe to be $14.99 and the regular to be $9.99. All right, you can also add images to each of these variants. Maybe they will have different album covers in the case of songs. It's up to you. Okay, so that is all for adding a product. And alternatively, and also you can also add tags. I'll just add this to new album or digital album, because you might have a physical album in your store. You can add them to a collection and add them to the category. Now the category is song. So let's just say music. There you go. This is a digital product, so you don't need to add. So let's just say music CD. And then the product type is album for clarity, right? Okay, so that is the first step, which is to add the actual product. Let's just click save for this product to be activated. Okay, so now that we have our product uh, in our store, let's go to preview. You can see that it is the same as if the visitor is buying a physical product, but the difference is when they add to cart and they go to checkout, they will not have to add a shipping details. Oops, my Shopify is free currently, so we cannot see the checkout page, but uh, they will not see a shipping details menu to uh, your digital product checkout. Okay, so the second step is to go to online store over here. We want to do the automatic fulfillment, right? And the email uh, on our end to them to add to send their file that they've purchased. So let's go to Shopify App Store and find digital downloads. There's an app by Shopify to do the exact thing that we want to do. So let's go to Shopify store and find digital downloads. And let's see the okay, so this is another third party app that we can use to uh do digital downloads, but let's just find digital downloads by Shopify, which is the free version, the simple version. Let's find it. Well, if you cannot find the official Shopify digital downloads app, just choose the SkyPilot app over here and click install. And we will use this app to facilitate our automatic fulfillment of sending the files that our customer just purchased. So let's click install and let's wait for a few moments and let's go to the configuration. Okay, so let's add digital files to our product. So let's first add our first file, and the product that we want to add the file to is this product. As you can see, new portfolio, and let's add to deluxe, and let's add the file. Well, obviously for these three different variants there will be different files, but for example, for tutorial, I'll just add the same file to demonstrate you how this works. Okay, so we've added a, a file for each of these variants. Let's add a test folder. That's step number 2. And let's add free order, and let's fill in the details, and let's choose the email to be my email. So this will be a test download for our new digital product. So I'll just add an email that I use specifically for this tutorial. So this order will be created for rayhantutorials@gmail.com, which is our test email. And the product will be the new portfolio premium, let's say. Okay, so let's click save once that's done. And there you go. So let's try to do a test run. So let's access our digital content from our email. So let's check our email. So let's go to our Gmail and find the email that is sent by SkyPilot for our newly ordered product. So there you go. Now, there you go. Our order is placed from Shopify. Now, as you can see, we just need to go to our order and access our product from there. So there you go. There's a new order. Let's fulfill this order. And oh, it's already fulfilled. Okay, so the file should be in our email already. And as you can see, it's over here. There you go. Now, this is the default email by SkyPilot. I'm sure you can edit this, but this is just to demonstrate that the product is been purchased by the customer, and we can access the content from here. So there you go. That's how you add digital products to Shopify. Let's see the products over here, and let's take a look back at our product. Now, as you can see, it is published on online store, and it is now connected to our SkyPilot app. So to add another store, to add another order, just another product and another file, just go to SkyPilot app, and you can configure your orders from there, and also files. Now in the settings, you can also change your emails settings. You can change the email templates from here. You can change the button size and etc. You can set up your email of your uh, digital product delivery to your customer. So that is all from me. Thank you.